Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a photography business with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. To start a photography business using Adobe products, begin by defining your niche. Research different photography styles to identify what you are passionate about. Consider options like portrait, landscape, event, or product photography. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Utilize Adobe Lightroom to organize and edit your photos. Import your images into Lightroom and explore its editing tools. Practice adjusting exposure, contrast, and colors to enhance your photos. Next, create a brand for your photography business. Choose a memorable business name that reflects your style. Design a logo using Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Express. Once your brand is established, develop a professional website. Use Adobe Portfolio or another platform to showcase your work. Ensure your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Incorporate an online booking system if you plan to accept clients. Now focus on marketing your photography business. Utilize social media platforms to share your work and engage with potential clients. Create eye-catching graphics or promotional materials using Adobe Spark. Network with other photographers and local businesses to gain referrals. Set competitive rates based on your market research. As you begin booking clients, ensure clear communication regarding expectations and pricing. Deliver high-quality results using Adobe Photoshop for advanced editing. Be open to feedback and continuously improve your skills. Finally, keep track of your finances and expenses associated with your business. Consider using accounting software to manage your income and expenses. With dedication and creativity, your photography business can thrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.